All right, this video will show you how to install the CompanyCam extension that we have. So you're gonna go ahead and click Buy Now or start a free trial. All right, let's set it. We're gonna wait for this to finish. So you should be directed to a page like this. And then what you're gonna do is you wanna go to Manage Access Tokens, which is in your CompanyCam account. Click on your avatar, Access Tokens, and then create a new token. Then go down to the Zoho by DTM, it's the last one. Do not check the read only and click Create Data. Or create token rather. So then you're gonna go ahead and paste it in here. When you paste it in here, you have the options. This is gonna be the syncing. So if you wanna sync up, we have some updates coming through, so the video could be dated by the time it comes out. But for now, you could actually sync the different fields in your deals module, if that's the one you're gonna be using. You could also use other modules to sync up with CompanyCam. I do recommend the deals. That's how the extension was originally created for. So if you have an address in the deals module, go ahead and sync it. The project title is required. That's going to be your deal name. And the project ID is required and very important to be the proper field. And it's a bit challenging to read because of the way Zoho displays it. You're going to want to look for CompanyCam Zoho CRM integration. It's probably the first one for you. If you hover over it, you're going to want to see CC _ project _ ID at the end. You're going to select that. And you could also select a custom view if you don't want to sync up all your deals, just some of them, or my deals. That's going to be completely up to you. If you have 30,000 deals, it's going to take a while. So at that point, you could probably just do a subset of it. It's going to be up to you. So that's now done. If I go back to CompanyCam, my, I think it was this one. So I have, when you see the project ID being filled out with a number, that's a good sign. That means this deal was already synced up with CompanyCam. It could be a couple. Oh, there's only one here. Okay, perfect. So if I now add a new photo, so when I uploaded the photo to this new test, they appear in my deal. It's always going to be the deal with the CompanyCam project ID. So for example, this one did not get synced up because it's not part of my custom view. Let's see if I could find one in here. That's this. So let's say I went out and had a project in my CompanyCam account and I got the extension later and I have deals that could not get synced up because they are named differently. There's no project ID yet. I could manually get them connected by entering the project ID. So now if I upload a new photo in this one, I should be able to get this over here. Right there. That was the image I uploaded. So if I want to manually sync them up, I could also do that. And then when I create a new deal, new one, CompanyCam, there it is. So every new deal now will get synced into CompanyCam. So the recommended use case is to make sure you don't create the project first in CompanyCam, rather have it in deals and then have it get pushed over to CompanyCam. And then there's the attachment now, project ID. So that's the way that works. Thank you.